What's up, dudes? At the gas station filling up. I got something a lot of y'all been asking about, and it ain't this crappy old Bayou 400 right here. It's not that. A lot of you dudes been asking for that one right there. Let's see what we got. Now I got this from a long-haired old boy, and he did flip it over. I mean, he ain't doing me no favors. He was just about to wash it when I got there, if you can believe that. If you can believe that much. It's an 86 200X, dudes. Super Trap. She ready to ride. We can go home and pop some wheelies on her today.
You feel like a seat on full?
Yeah, real nicely with some zip ties. I bet that girl was worried about coming off that sumbitch. He must not have liked her very much.
Yeah.
Buster, 200X. You gonna try ripping it? It's ready to ride.
Sure.
So guys, 86 200X. We're gonna get her unloaded. She's supposed to. Looks like it runs. It's all dirty. Some long hair had it though, like I said earlier. You never know about that. It's got brakes. Pretty plush, huh? Rev it up a little bit.
What?
Rev it. Fun to ride on.
It's a long four-wheeler.
200X. I washed her. Now look at all these stains. There's power. I've been power washing it. None of this is coming off, you know? None of that's coming off. But I'm going to show you guys. It ain't too late. I'm going to show you guys how to get it to come off of there. But I tell you what, 3,200 PSI ain't going to do it. It's going to take a little elbow grease, boys. Let me show you how. All right, boys. Let's take us a close look. This side I did with the Magic Eraser. Most all of the stains are gone. That one I'll definitely get. This little one's from those you can usually get from the Kickstarter. But look at this fender compared to this one. That one's white. This one's brown. So I'm gonna get up in there, guys. On a white machine, this one actually has bleach in it, and it works really good. So you see the color here, and like this brown here. I was told it had brown spots, and it was, you know, they'd never come off. Dudes, all here where it's all stained, if it's on top of the plastic, these erasers will get it off. If it's gouged into it past the plastic, or if it's a color come off of something else onto the plastic, it might not. Or if it digs through it. But even these real hard boot marks, sorry, pressure washer's on. What do you think of this mic? Even on the tank, dudes, look at, we get that tank pretty pearly white too. Ooh, that's something on the tank. All that shit's coming off, look. It's like some glue or adhesive or something. All of it came off, you see that? So I'm gonna keep her going, and when I'm done, I'm gonna show you all the difference. Bro, Magic Eraser in less than 5 minutes, man. Come on now. That brown stain? What you talking about it was stained? What you mean it was stained, bro? It wasn't stained. All right, my Time Machines guys. Be sure and get up in there, dudes. Look, come on now. Little Magic Eraser. I'll put a link here to them in the channel. Anything white, anything yellow, blue, hell, black, just about it. It'll take the stains off of just about anything, but, you know, it doesn't erase scratches or something. But look at here now. The owner told me this was just completely stained brown when I got it. Like there was going to be nothing to do about it. Told you he's a long hair. And then I told old Taz, I said, Taz, look, man, if I needed to get mud stains on something, I'd call you, bud. We're talking about getting them off now, and you don't seem to know how to do that very well. So, super easy, boys. Just get up in there with a little elbow grease, and I'm going to put the link to the pads in the description. So, y'all want to hear it run? If it will, I watched it a couple times. Probably won't even run now. Maybe we'll go cruise it around down the street on the GoPro or something. That'd be kind of fun. Oh man. Super truck. The headlight game rocking and everything. 200x time, guys. Down the road. Look it. Them deer been eating, boys. Oh yeah, it's gone. They've been getting after her now. Look at there. Look at there, boy. She good for ascending. She's good for ascending. So dudes, let's talk about her a little bit. 1986 ATC 200X. ATC stands for not a three-wheeler. No, sorry. ATC stands for not a four-wheeler, not a dirt bike. Get it right. All-terrain chick getter. But ATCG was too long. So they settled on ATC 200X. Fun machines, dudes. Like I said, air-cooled. The 86s are 6-speed manual clutch, 4-stroke. It's all right, it's all right. Full suspension, you know, and they're all right. They're all right. It ain't no 350X, but they're all right. You know what I mean? So you guys get up in there. Let's pop me some wheelies. That back shock's had it. It's had it. It's had it with me. It's had it with Texas. It's had it with three-wheeler guys. So we're gonna have to get a rear shock on it. It hasn't had it, but I appreciate you guys watching. Be sure and get up in there. Lots more on the channel, lots more to come. And we appreciate you guys for 15,000 subscribers. A lot. So me and Parker are gonna have us some fun on that Chevy tomorrow. And I don't know. See what happens tomorrow. Blake's gonna be here working, so we got quite a bit to do. YFZ action, some other stuff. You guys be sure and get up in there. Appreciate you, dudes.